this includes everything up to, but not including this book. So, don't worry about it. Now, you guys have to raise your hand. Quick draw. Because I know everyone here probably knows this. Quick draw. How many seals are still intact at the end of Night of Dreams? Quick draw. 3. Yes.
Right.
Quick draw. You talk disqualified. How is the only way you can win at snakes and foxes? G.
Right.
Okay. What are the black specks that appear in a person's eyes after substantial use of the true power? Yes. You guys get a little
Make it harder.
Okay. What event sparked the War of the 100 Years? This is certainly.
Do.
Yes. Okay.
You guys are too quiet. I can't hear you.
They are. Okay. And just shut this and you go. No. True or false? Masana, the Forsaken, was an accomplished healer before turning to the shadow.
False, it was Cimaraj.
What was Masana? She was a teacher.
Right.
I guess they're good though. I don't think anyone who's taking the quiz can hear this. The head clerk is the highest of which Aja? Gray or brown? That's good. You're the first person that's got it right. Everyone thinks it's brown because it's clerk close.
Alright, so hang on. So if you're the first person who's got this right, how long have you been reading the series?
Since 6th grade.
Okay, which was?
I don't know.
A couple years?
A long time ago now.
2 years?
I've been out of college for a couple years.
Alright,
so
there you go.
Yeah.
Alright, very good. How long have you been reading?
It's been 5 years now.
Alright, you guys?
10 years.
About 15.
How about you guys?
15.
You guys down here?
Book signed for a boyfriend.
Ah, you're out. How about you?
That's a good girlfriend.
Alright, very cool. Alright.
Stand it long.
Good job.